Often in my trainings, I get this question very often: Aditi, how do I write a cold DM? Now, before we get into that, let me tell you what a cold DM is. A cold DM is basically a sales technique where you write a message to your prospective client over any social media platform. Now, why is it cold? Because you might not have ever talked to that person before, or you might not have conversated with them ever before. So that becomes a cold contact, and you messaging them over different social media platforms make it a cold DM. Now, who can write a cold DM? A cold DM can be used as a sales technique by anyone, whether you are a freelancer, content creator, solopreneur, entrepreneur, or any sales professional. How to write a cold DM? Now, writing a cold DM can often be tricky, but it's not hard. You need to structure it well. You need to be conscious about whatever you're writing. Just don't write for the sake of writing. Make sure that whatever you write gives you a reply and brings a call to action. So, in order to structure it properly, follow these 4 steps. Number one, use a greeting. So, make your greeting along with their name. Don't use hi, sir, ma'am, hello, sir, ma'am. You can use hey, Alicia, hey, Aditi, or hey, whatever their name is. Secondly, use personalized messaging. So write one statement that shows that you have researched a lot about them. You can give a feedback on their recent post. You can give some insights. You can give a compliment on any of the things which they have shared on the social media or anything you love about them. But make it genuine. Don't make it sound very pushy or very fake. So that's the number two, because this will make the other person feel very important. Number three, introduce yourself. As you introduce yourself, don't just mention your name or what you do. Also add how you want to add value to them. Please make sure that it's very short and crisp, because when you write a cold DM, you have to make it between 4 to 5 lines and not more than that. Right? So whenever you introduce yourself, make it very short in a 1 or 2 line, and please make sure that you add value or show how you have added value to the similar clients previously. Fourth, add a call to action. A call to action can be setting up a meeting date, or it can be how can you discuss further. It can be anything, right? So there has to be a call to action. For example, can we set up a meeting this week at 2 p.m. on Wednesday? So it has to be very precise. It doesn't has to be vague. Now, when you put this four together, a very beautiful, a very good cold DM comes up, and you can use it and personalize it as for different respects. For more details, you can check out the caption below. Try this out and let me know how it has helped you.